In 1968, America's muscle cars ruled the roads. Bigger engines, louder exhausts, and blistering straight-line speed defined performance. Then, Mercedes-Benz did something no one expected. Instead of building a lightweight sports car, it installed the massive 6.3-litre V8 from its flagship limousine into an elegant four-door sedan. The result was the 300 SEL 6.3, an executive car capable of embarrassing many sports cars and muscle machines of its era, while carrying 4 adults in complete comfort. It wasn't built to win drag races. It was built to prove that intelligent engineering could be every bit as powerful as raw horsepower. But how did Mercedes pull it off? By the late 1960s, American muscle cars dominated the performance world. Manufacturers competed by fitting ever larger V8s into affordable coupes, making horsepower and quarter-mile times the ultimate measure of success. Bigger engines meant bigger excitement, but Mercedes-Benz had a different vision. Instead of chasing raw power, its engineers focused on creating a car that could sustain high speeds, handle with confidence, brake repeatedly without fading, and deliver unmatched comfort. Rather than competing on Detroit's terms, Mercedes redefined performance itself, proving that intelligent engineering and refinement could rival brute force and reshape the future of high-performance automobiles. The story of the 300 SEL 6.3 didn't begin in a boardroom. It began with one engineer's bold idea. Mercedes development engineer Erich Waxenberger wondered what would happen if the company's largest and most powerful engine could fit inside its refined W109 luxury sedan. At the time, that engine powered only the prestigious Mercedes-Benz 600 limousine, a car reserved for heads of state, royalty, and the world's elite. It was never intended for a production sports sedan. Fitting the massive M100 6.3-litre V8 into the smaller engine bay was anything but straightforward. The engine occupied almost every available inch of space, forcing engineers to redesign engine mounts, strengthen the front suspension, upgrade the cooling system, and ensure the transmission could handle the enormous torque. Every modification had to meet Mercedes' uncompromising standards for reliability and refinement. Simply making the engine fit wasn't enough. The car had to perform as though it had been designed that way from the beginning. When the first prototype was finally completed, the results exceeded expectations. The sedan accelerated with effortless authority, remained remarkably stable at high speed, and retained the quiet comfort expected of a Mercedes-Benz. Company executives quickly realized they had created something entirely new, a luxury sedan with the performance to challenge many contemporary sports cars. What had started as an experimental engineering exercise was now destined to become one of the most remarkable production cars of the 1960s. The heart of the 300 SEL 6.3 was the legendary M100 V8, an engine that reflected Mercedes-Benz's engineering philosophy in every detail. Unlike many American big blocks, which were designed primarily to deliver maximum straight-line performance, the M100 was built to provide effortless power hour after hour without sacrificing reliability. Originally developed for the prestigious Mercedes-Benz 600 limousine, it had to move a vehicle weighing well over 2 tons with complete smoothness, making durability just as important as performance. To achieve that goal, Mercedes filled the engine with premium engineering solutions. It featured a forged steel crankshaft for exceptional strength, sodium-filled exhaust valves to manage extreme temperatures, and a Bosch mechanical fuel injection system that delivered precise fuel metering long before electronic engine management became standard. The result was an engine producing around 250 horsepower and an impressive 369 pound-feet of torque, delivered with remarkable smoothness rather than sudden bursts of aggression. But the M100's greatest strength wasn't its horsepower figure, it was the way it produced its power. Massive low-end torque allowed the sedan to surge forward effortlessly, with only gentle pressure on the accelerator. There was no need to chase high engine speeds or constantly shift gears. Whether overtaking slower traffic on the Autobahn or climbing long mountain roads, the engine always seemed to have power in reserve. That effortless performance became the 300 SEL 6.3's greatest advantage. While many muscle cars demanded constant attention to keep their powerful engines in the ideal rev range, the Mercedes delivered relentless acceleration with the refinement of a luxury limousine. It proved that intelligent engineering could make a car feel faster in the real world than raw horsepower figures alone ever suggested. An extraordinary engine alone couldn't make the 300 SEL 6.3 a legend. Mercedes engineers knew that true performance depended on the entire car working as a single, perfectly balanced system. Every component, from the suspension to the brakes, had to cope with the immense power of the M100 V8 while preserving the comfort expected from a luxury sedan. One of the car's greatest advantages was its sophisticated air suspension. Unlike conventional steel springs, the self-leveling system automatically maintained the correct ride height, regardless of passengers or luggage. The result was a sedan that remained remarkably composed at high speeds, with excellent stability and a smooth ride even over rough pavement. Combined with fully independent suspension, it delivered a level of confidence that many high-powered cars of the era simply couldn't match. Stopping power was equally impressive. The 300 SEL 6.3 came equipped with four-wheel disc brakes, providing strong, consistent braking during repeated high-speed driving. Precise steering and a rigid chassis inspired confidence through sweeping bends, allowing the driver to exploit the car's performance without feeling overwhelmed by its size or weight. This was where Mercedes truly separated itself from many contemporary muscle cars. While they excelled in straight-line acceleration, the 300 SEL 6.3 was engineered to perform everywhere. It could cruise effortlessly at Autobahn speeds, remain stable through fast corners, and brake with confidence again and again. Mercedes wasn't chasing the quickest quarter mile. It was creating one of the world's first complete high-performance sedans, where power, handling, comfort, and durability worked together in perfect harmony. When the 300 SEL 6.3 reached journalists, its performance quickly silenced any doubts. Contemporary road tests recorded 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 6.5 seconds, and a top speed approaching 140 miles per hour. Astonishing figures for a full-size luxury sedan in the late 1960s. More impressive than the numbers, however, was the way the Mercedes achieved them. It accelerated with almost effortless force, never feeling dramatic or strained, even at speeds where many performance cars began to lose their composure. On Germany's unrestricted Autobahns, the 300 SEL 6.3 revealed what it had truly been built for. It could cruise at well over 100 miles per hour for extended periods with remarkable stability, while the cabin remained quiet enough for normal conversation. The suspension absorbed imperfections without upsetting the chassis. The steering stayed reassuringly precise, and the powerful disc brakes inspired confidence every time the driver slowed from high speed. This was a very different kind of performance from Detroit's muscle cars. Their greatest strength was explosive straight-line acceleration, but the Mercedes excelled in the real world, where roads included long curves, changing weather, heavy traffic, and sustained high-speed driving. It wasn't necessarily the quickest car over a quarter mile, but over a long journey, it often proved to be the faster, safer, and more capable machine. In redefining performance beyond raw horsepower, the 300 SEL 6.3 introduced a philosophy that would shape every modern super sedan that followed. The ultimate proof of the 300 SEL 6.3's engineering didn't come from a showroom or a road test. It came from one of Europe's toughest endurance races. In 1971, the independent tuning company AMG transformed the sedan into the 300 SEL 6.8 by increasing the engine's displacement and preparing it for competition. Nicknamed the Red Pig because of its enormous size and bright red paint, the Mercedes looked completely out of place among the sleek touring cars lining up for the 24 hours of Spa. Few believed the heavy four-door sedan had any chance. It was significantly larger and heavier than most of its rivals, and endurance racing usually rewarded lighter, more agile machines. Yet, as the race unfolded, the Mercedes consistently surprised everyone. Its powerful V8, exceptional stability, dependable brakes, and remarkable reliability allowed it to maintain an impressive pace hour after hour. When the checkered flag finally fell, the giant sedan had finished second overall and claimed victory in its class, one of the biggest upsets in touring car racing history. The achievement transformed AMG almost overnight from a small engineering firm into an internationally respected performance brand. More importantly, it proved that Mercedes-Benz's philosophy of combining luxury with advanced engineering could succeed at the highest levels of motorsport. The Red Pig became an icon, and its remarkable performance confirmed that the foundations laid by the 300 SEL 6.3 had changed the future of high-performance sedans forever. More than 50 years after its debut, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.3 remains a landmark in automotive history. It proved that true performance wasn't defined by the loudest exhaust or the biggest horsepower figure, but by the perfect balance of power, handling, comfort, and reliability. Its innovative approach laid the foundation for today's high-performance luxury sedans, inspiring generations of Mercedes-AMG, BMW M, and Audi RS models. While many muscle cars became legends through brute force, the 300 SEL 6.3 earned its place through engineering excellence, forever changing how the world viewed the performance sedan.